Hello Hendrickson, Mr. Gear here for our maths lesson today. Last week we were looking at number bonds to 10 and this week we are going to continue it. For our starter today, we're going to do the opposite to what we were doing last week. Last week I was telling you a number and I was asking you to show me that number on your fingers. Today I'm going to be showing you my fingers and I would like you as quick as you can to tell me what number I am showing. Are you ready? Here we go. What number is this? 2. Well done. What number is this? 5. Well done. And finally, what number is this? Yes, 3. Very well done. So, for our lesson today, we are going to be taking inspiration from Christmas. I don't know if you remember when we made a paper chain all the way across our classroom, and I thought it would be fun to make another one today. But we're going to make one to make our number bonds to 10. So in order to do this, what you're going to need is a pair of scissors and some paper and some glue. Maybe even a pen as well, but you can do this after I've shown you what to do. So what you're going to need is you're going to need 2 different piles of strips of paper. So for example, over here I've got some green paper cut into strips like this. I've also got some pink paper, but I need to cut my pink paper up into strips. Let me show you. So I'm getting my pink paper just like this, and I'm going to take my scissors and cut a strip all the way across, just like this. Okay, there's one, and then we're going to make lots and lots of them. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I can get 7 out of one piece of paper. So you can make lots and lots of them. So I have got some green paper, I've got some pink paper. Now I'm going to do one more of these. Okay, there we go. So, I've got 2 different piles of paper. I've got some pink paper here, and I've got some green paper here cut into strips. So these are my 2 different colours, green and pink. But what you can do is if you don't have green paper and pink paper, you could just cut lots of white strips of paper and then decorate them in 2 different styles. So for example, you could make You could put hearts all over one of them, like this one, and colour them in. So that would be one pile. They all need to be the same in the pile. So lots of hearts. Then you could do another one over here, and maybe on this side you can colour them in a rainbow pattern, something like that. But it is up to you. Now we need to make our chain, but we can only use 10 pieces of paper. So now I'd like you to get a mix of 10 from each pile. So I'm going to take 1, 2, let me take 3 of those, and then I'm going to take some more of these. So I need to count out 10. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You can only use 10 because we're doing our number bond up to 10, aren't we? So I've got 10 of these. That is your first challenge, to make sure you count out 10 pieces of paper. Now we need to make our chain. In order to do this, I would like you to keep the colours separate to start with, and then we'll join them together. So to make our chain, you'll need your glue, or you can use a stapler at this point, but make sure you ask your mum or dad to help you with that. Get some glue and put some on the end, and then you twist it round to make a loop, just like that. And then, next piece, make sure they're the same colour. Put another dab of glue on. Now here's where you need to really pay attention. You get your other hoop and you paste it through like that. There. Just like that. Okay? And then again, same colour again. You need to do this until you run out of one of your colours. So I'm going to keep doing it until I run out of pink. 3, go. Whoop. 4. Let's keep going. 5. I've still got a couple more pinks to go. 6. 7. Now this is my last pink one. So I'll put my last pink one on here. Now I can move on to the green ones. Okay. There we go. A little bit of glue there. And then again, I need to keep all the green ones together. Now I can join them onto the pink ones. There we go, there's the green. And another bit. Oh dear. Make sure you stick it on really, really well so it doesn't come apart like Mr. Gears did. 2. And last one. 3. And there we have it. I now have my paper chain. And I can use this to help me tell me my number 1 to 10. All you need to do is count the 2 different colours. So I have 1, 2, 3 green and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pink. I have 3 green and 7 pink. So 7 and 3 equals 10 because we know that we had 10 altogether. So this is what I'd like you to make today. I would like you, first of all, can you make a paper chain and make sure you count out 10 of the pieces of paper? Next, challenge number 2 is, can you use 2 colours to make a paper chain with 10 and tell us the number bond? Number 3, can you write out all the different combinations you've made? There are lots of different combinations. Don't just make one chain. Let's see how many different chains you can make using just 2 different colours or patterns. Don't forget to put it up on Tapestry, and I look forward to seeing it there. Bye!